Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my lace frontal crochet wig. I know you guys have been waiting for this video, so here it is. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to apply this wig using only gel, no glue. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So before we start, if you haven't seen the video on how I make this wig, I'll put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. Right, let's get to it. So here is the crochet wig. As you can see, it's looking good, looking kind of natural, but we're gonna make it look even more natural on. Okay, so I've already added an elastic band of camera, and also I added two combs to the side of the wig, so this will help to secure it in place. And also, if you don't like the idea of the combs, you can actually secure it in place using a bobby pin. Okay, moving on to the next step, I'm going in with a foundation that matches my skin tone perfectly, and I'm going ahead to apply that using a foundation brush, and I'm applying that on the lace part of the wig. Okay, all done. So you can see. Okay, moving on to the next step is to put on the wig before cutting off the excess lace on the front. Okay, just a quick reminder, I have a separate video showing you guys how to make this lace frontal crochet wig. The link is in the description box down below, or you can click this little notification thing up here to watch that video if you haven't seen the video. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on the wig. As you can see, I haven't applied any gel, nothing. As you can see, it sits perfectly just where I want it to sit, and it's actually flat. I don't really need to do that much because I follow the headline and the shape and everything, and it actually came out the exact way I wanted it to be. So next, right here, I'm going in with the scissors to cut off the excess lace, being really careful and gentle. So I noticed right here that I'm not going to achieve the best result just by cutting the lace while the wig is on. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the wig and actually cut out the lace before putting the wig back on. So right here, I'm just going ahead to cut out the lace, just tracing around the hairline. Okay, all done, looking really good. So you can see it's perfectly cut just in the shape of the hairline, just like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig back on. So I didn't have to cut any excess lace around the ear because the line was actually perfect. The line I made for the frontal was perfect, so I didn't have to do any extra cut, anything like that. As you can see, without any gel, without any glue, the wig just sit in place. Look at that. Look at that. Where's the wig? It's gone. This is amazing. I love it. Okay, moving on to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and create the baby hair. So using a small comb, I'm just going into the line to pull some of those hair out to create the edges. Alright, moving on to the next step. Right now, I'm going ahead to trim the baby hair and making sure I'm being really careful with it, and taking my time as well. And also, if you're not comfortable using the razor, go ahead and use the scissors to trim the baby hair. Okay, so to add the magical touch to get the natural looking lace frontal wonders, magical, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to be using this gel right here. I've had this gel for a really long time now, and it get the job done when it comes to laying down my natural hair edges. This gel is awesome. So this is what I'm going to be using today. No glue. I'm still a little bit scared of using the glue. I actually have the got to be spray, the glue spray. So but I have it, but I don't want to use it. I'm not ready to rip out my edges, my natural hair edges. So I'm gonna, maybe one of these days I will gather up enough courage to use it, but for today, not ready for it. But anyways, you go ahead and use whatever that works for you to lay down your lace frontal. But for me, I'm going ahead with gel. This always get the job done for me, so that's what I'm using today. And also, as for the gel, I don't have a link to this gel. I got it from a local supply store, and I don't have a direct link. But you go ahead and grab your favorite gel and lay down those baby hair. All right, so next right here, I'm going ahead with a headband and just wrapping that around the edges just to help to secure it in place while I do my makeup. Okay, all done. Makeup is all done. Face is flawless. I actually put on fake lashes for you guys today. Actually, I put it on for myself, but yeah. So right here, I'm just going ahead to brush the hair, starting from the tip and working my way up. So you always want to start to brush your hair or comb the hair from the tip and work your way up. You don't want to start from the top, because if you have a little bit of tangle on the tip, that might mess everything up. So you always want to start from the tip of the hair and work your way up. So next, right now, I'm just going ahead to unravel that, and hair is almost ready to go. My wig is on flick. My hair wig is on point. Why am I saying all this? I have no idea, but I'll let you guys be the judge of it. Look at that. Look at that. And I love it. I love it. Love the color. Love the way the lace frontal sit on the front without having to do too much work in order for it to stay in place. That is awesome. So yeah, guys, this is the finished result. And again, just a quick reminder, I have a separate video showing you guys how I make this crochet wig from start to finish. So go ahead and hit the link in the description box to watch that video. And also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today. Oh, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like the result, or if you just like the look in general. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one.